Unlocking the Secrets to Self-Promotion and Industry Success. Your Blueprint for Independent Stardom in the Entertainment World. Chapter 1 of DIY Fame. Navigating the Entertainment Industry. Without a Publicist focuses on the significant transformation within the entertainment industry, primarily driven by technological advancements and changes in consumer behavior. The chapter introduces the democratization of fame, where artists, musicians, filmmakers, and content creators have unprecedented access to audiences. However, this accessibility comes with new challenges, including increased competition and the need for strategic visibility. For those entering this evolving landscape without the support of a publicist, understanding how to navigate these changes is critical. The rise of digital platforms, such as social media, streaming services, and video sharing websites, plays a central role in the new entertainment model. These platforms have shifted the power from traditional media outlets to direct audience engagement, making personal branding more important than ever. Chapter 1 emphasizes that creators need to develop digital marketing strategies that go beyond producing quality content. They must also ensure their work reaches the right audience. A strong online presence and a distinct brand are crucial for standing out in a crowded marketplace. Social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube have revolutionized how artists and influencers interact with their fans. Chapter 1 highlights how these platforms allow creators to share their work, stories, and behind-the-scenes content in real time, fostering deeper audience engagement. For example, viral challenges or intimate interactions with fans can lead to meaningful connections and greater visibility. Learning to leverage these platforms effectively is essential for building a loyal fan base and sustaining long-term engagement. The chapter also delves into the freedom and autonomy that come with a DIY approach to fame. Without traditional gatekeepers such as agents and publicists, creators have more control over their career trajectory, image, and messaging. This independence allows artists to experiment creatively, connect with niche audiences, and make real-time adjustments based on audience feedback. However, this autonomy also requires creators to take on multiple roles, from content production to business management, which can be challenging without industry support. Finally, Chapter 1 discusses the opportunities for monetization available to DIY creators. Platforms like YouTube, Patreon, and various social media channels enable creators to generate income through ad revenue, sponsorship deals, merchandise sales, and crowdfunding. While the ability to monetize directly is empowering, the chapter also outlines the challenges of maintaining visibility, managing content production, and avoiding burnout in an ever-changing digital landscape. Ultimately, Chapter 1 sets the foundation for understanding how to succeed in the entertainment industry by taking control of one's career and capitalizing on the tools available in this new era. Order your book online at www.diyfame.com.